In this video, we'll be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms for building an online storefront. Those platforms are Weebly and WooCommerce. Whether you're looking for a simple drag and drop experience or a powerful customizable e-commerce solution, this comparison will help you make a decision on which of these platforms is right for you. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which platform best fits your business needs. So without further ado, let's get into this comparison. Up first, we have Weebly, and let's go over a quick overview of what the platform is and how it works. Weebly is one of the most popular website builders designed with simplicity in mind. It allows users, particularly small business owners or individuals without technical experience, to create websites quickly and efficiently. The core strength of Weebly lies in its drag and drop interface. Even non-technical users can set up their website or online storefront by simply dragging content blocks, images, and forms into place. Weebly's templates offer a variety of visually appealing designs for businesses, portfolios, blogs, and e-commerce sites. Although limited in terms of customization, compared to WooCommerce, these templates are modern, mobile responsive, and easily editable, meaning users can modify the look of their website without dealing with complex coding. Weebly offers several pricing tiers, starting with a free plan that includes Weebly branding for up to $26 per month, and it unlocks advanced features like unlimited products, integrated shipping, and comprehensive inventory management. Up next, we'll be giving a quick overview of WooCommerce. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is an open source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. While it requires more technical knowledge compared to Weebly, WooCommerce offers users unparalleled flexibility and customization options. WooCommerce allows users to turn any WordPress website into a fully operational online storefront. Unlike Weebly, WooCommerce doesn't have a fixed pricing structure. While the WooCommerce plugin is free to install, users will need to pay for things like hosting, domain registration, themes, and possibly premium plugins, especially if you're looking to unlock the full potential of your storefront. Despite the higher potential costs, WooCommerce open source nature and extensive customization capabilities make it ideal for businesses that require advanced features. When it comes to the user experience and ease of use, Weebly's drag and drop builder makes it one of the easiest platforms for users who are brand new to website creation. Everything from uploading images to creating product pages is simplified, and users don't need any prior experience with web development to get started. The intuitive interface lets users focus on visual aspects of the site while leaving the technical details such as hosting, updates, and security to Weebly's backend. For users who prefer simplicity and want to avoid technical intricacies, Weebly offers a no-fuss solution that enables them to launch a professional site quickly. WooCommerce, however, presents a steeper learning curve. Because WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin, users need to first become familiar with WordPress itself. WooCommerce also requires users to handle additional tasks, such as setting up hosting, managing security updates, and ensuring backups are in place. However, WooCommerce learning curve is rewarded by its flexibility and control over other aspects of your website. Businesses that require custom features or need to scale their e-commerce operations will find that WooCommerce is a more robust solution once they overcome the initial technical challenge. Up next, we'll be talking about customization and design flexibility. When it comes to design flexibility, WooCommerce is unmatched. Because WooCommerce operates on WordPress, users have access to thousands of themes and design options. WooCommerce users can choose from free or premium themes, and they can modify these themes through the WordPress customizer, or even doing so by editing the CSS and HTML directly. In addition, WooCommerce integrates seamlessly with page builders like Elementor and Beaver Builder, further enhancing design capabilities. Weebly, by contrast, offers far fewer customization options, while users can personalize their site appearance by changing things like the fonts, colors, and layouts. The lack of design flexibility may be a downside for users who want a highly tailored website, but for those who prioritize ease of use, Weebly's simplicity is more than sufficient. Weebly's templates also are mobile responsive, ensuring that websites look good on all devices without the need for additional configurations. Up next, we'll be talking about e-commerce features and functionality. For e-commerce, both platforms are capable but serve different user bases. Weebly's e-commerce features are built directly into the platform, making it easy for users to add products, manage inventory, and set up payment gateways. Weebly also offers features like shipping calculators, discount codes, and tax management, but its functionality is more basic when you compare it to WooCommerce. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is far more powerful in terms of e-commerce features. WooCommerce can handle everything from simple product sales to complex multi-vendor marketplaces. WooCommerce flexibility means that users can choose from a variety of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and a dozen of other regional providers. In addition, WooCommerce has advanced inventory management tools, allowing users to manage stock levels, set back orders, and create product variations. WooCommerce also offers dynamic pricing features, allowing users to set tiered pricing discounts based on user roles and more. Up next, we'll be talking about SEO and marketing tools. Weebly offers basic SEO tools that allow users to edit page titles, meta descriptions, and URLs. For most businesses, this level of functionality is pretty sufficient, although Weebly does integrate with Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel for tracking visitor activity. WooCommerce WooCommerce, being part of the WordPress ecosystem, offers unparalleled SEO capabilities. WordPress is known for being one of the most SEO-friendly platforms available, and WooCommerce builds on this foundation. With plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math, WooCommerce users can fine-tune every aspect of their site's search engine optimization. Additionally, WooCommerce supports a variety of email marketing and automation tools. Plugins like Mailchimp, which you can get started with a link down in the description, as well as ActiveCampaign, make it easy to create email campaigns, manage customer lists, and automate abandoned cart emails. Last but not least is security and maintenance. Security is another important consideration for online storefronts. Weebly handles all security measures for its users, including SSL certificate, DDoS protection, and software updates. This means that users don't have to worry about maintaining their website's security. Weebly will take care of everything. Weebly's closed system ensures that its security standards are consistent across the board, but businesses that need more control over their site's security may find this limiting. WooCommerce offers more control over security, but users are responsible for implementing and maintaining it. WooCommerce sites hosted on WordPress require things like an SSL certificate and additional security plugins, but both of them are pretty solid when it comes to security and management. Now that we talked about that, let's talk pricing. If you guys are interested in getting started with WooCommerce for the cheapest price possible, I would definitely recommend doing so with Hostinger. By using the link down in the description below, you guys are going to get an amazing discount in the process of getting signed up with Hostinger. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, where we simply have to click the claim deal button, which will then take us to the checkout page. We need to make sure we choose the right plan so we get access to the WooCommerce plugin. We'll go ahead and go with the business plan, which will then take us to the checkout page. And the last thing we have to do is enter in the code MyFirstWebsite, all capitals, no spaces, and then hit the apply button. Once you've done all of that, you'll have an even greater discount and you'll be able to get started with Hostinger. If you guys want to get started with Weebly, make sure you use the links down in the description as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Make sure to like button and subscribe so you guys never miss any of our future videos. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the future video.